Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Land Rover Discovery 2.0 SD4 HSE Auto 4WD, a premium 7-seat SUV that delivers a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and all-terrain performance. Finished in gray with a stunning cream leather interior and featuring a panoramic sliding glass roof, this Discovery is built for every adventure. From the side, the Discovery stands strong with 20-inch alloy wheels, sharp body lines, and electric folding mirrors. The standout panoramic sliding glass roof brings added light and openness into the cabin, while keyless entry adds everyday convenience. At the rear, sleek LED taillights, front and rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera make maneuvering effortless. The electric-powered tailgate offers easy access to a spacious and versatile boot area. Powered by a 2.0-liter SD4 diesel engine, this Discovery delivers smooth, efficient performance. The automatic gearbox paired with Land Rover's advanced 4WD system offers confidence on any terrain. At the front, the bold Land Rover grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular bumper create a confident and commanding presence. The heated windscreen is perfect for cold mornings, ensuring quick and clear visibility. Stepping inside, you're welcomed by a refined cream leather interior, enhanced by the expansive panoramic roof overhead. Enjoy heated front and rear seats, electric memory front seats, and a premium Meridian digital sound system. Technology highlights include a digital instrument display, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, SAT-T, nav, and Bluetooth, all accessible via the central touchscreen. The rear seats provide generous space and comfort, complete with heated seats, rear climate controls, and USB ports for convenience on longer journeys. The boot is spacious and practical, with fold-flat rear seats for extra room and a powered tailgate for effortless loading. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration YE18YMX to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.